Ever found yourself staring at a tempting online deal or needing to pay a friend back instantly, only to realize your Beam wallet is running on fumes? Yeah, we've all been there. That moment of digital wallet dread. It's like reaching for your physical wallet and finding it's as empty as a politician's promise. Now, we know Beam Wallet is all about speed, convenience, and seamless transactions. But what happens when that balance hits zero? How do you quickly and efficiently refill it so you can get back to those smooth, hassle-free payments? Well, today, we're diving deep into the simple steps to top up your Beam Wallet, ensuring you're never caught off guard again. Let's get straight to it. First, open your Beam Wallet app. You'll see your current balance displayed prominently. Look for the Add Money or Top Up button. It's usually pretty visible, designed for quick access. Tap that button, and you'll be greeted with a few options. Now, the beauty of Beam Wallet is its flexibility. You'll typically find options like linking your bank account, using a debit or credit card, or even topping up via mobile money if that's available in your region. Choose the method that suits you best. If you're linking your bank account, you'll likely need to provide your account details and go through a verification process. This might involve confirming a small test transaction or entering a one-time password sent to your phone. It's a bit more involved initially, but once linked, future top-ups are a breeze. For debit or credit card users, it's even simpler. You'll enter your card details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. You might also be prompted for 3D secure verification, depending on your bank. This extra layer of security ensures your transactions are safe and sound. And for those using mobile money, the process is often just as straightforward. You'll select your mobile money provider, enter the amount you want to add, and confirm the transaction using your mobile money PIN. It's quick, efficient, and perfect for those who prefer to manage their finances directly from their phone. Once you've selected your preferred method and completed the necessary steps, you will usually receive a confirmation message. Your Beam Wallet balance should update almost instantly, ready for you to use. Remember, each method might have its own processing time and potential fees, so be sure to check the details before confirming your transaction. Beam Wallet often displays these details clearly, ensuring transparency and avoiding any surprises. And if you're ever unsure about any step, don't hesitate to check the in-app help section or contact Beam Wallet's customer support. They're there to assist you and ensure your experience is smooth and hassle-free. Keeping your Beam Wallet topped up means you're always ready for those spontaneous purchases, quick payments, and seamless transactions. It's about having financial flexibility at your fingertips, whenever and wherever you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.